At Midwest Technical Institute and Delta Technical College, our roots run deep. For over 30 years, we've been more than a school. We've been a family, a place where respect is earned, initiative is encouraged, and dedication leads to real opportunity, where people trade up, not just in careers, but in confidence, purpose, and life. We are built by hard work, powered by pride. We are MTI DTC. We believe in growing our own, cultivating talent, investing in people, and building something that lasts.
My name's Cole Huff. I'm the campus president here at the East Peoria campus. I've been around the company since I was born. My dad started this school in '95. I was born in '94. You know, growing up, it always just seemed like my dad was busy. My dad was always working. I always admired that drive and that skill that he had, but I never really understood it until I became an adult. But now at 30 years old, sitting in this seat, it's truly remarkable what he's built and what he's done and all the people that have helped him along the way. We're placing graduates all across the nation, and we truly change their lives. They come here, they might not have anything, they leave here, they have a skill, they have some work ethic, and they have something that they can take with them anywhere to provide for their families, to provide for themselves, and something to really be proud of and hang their hat on. Graduating high school, I came through the welding program there in Springfield. Steve Daniels was actually my instructor. Once I graduated, I went out and traveled for about 5 years, and a teaching position opened up, and I thought, you know, I love the way that Steve treated me while I was in school. I've loved watching all these guys in the community that I've known that are older than me. Graduated MTI and come back, and they have families, they're buying new trucks, they're buying homes. It just seemed like they were really set up and put together for being as young as they were. And that inspired me to do that myself and to just give back to these students that I could do the same thing for them. What we have here is, it's really something special. We're more than just a school, we're a family. I can look around at just my staff, and I have Haley, who teaches medical assisting. Her mom's our front desk receptionist. Curtis, who's also a graduate of our HVAC program back in Lincoln. He teaches for us, and his son Luke's in maintenance. And you can look at all these other campuses too, and there's just so much homegrown talent at them, and people that have been around for a long time. You look at Tom Poland, he took HVAC and welding. He's been the campus president for quite a few years now. Miss CJ down there. If you just take a look and dig into these other campuses, there's situations and examples like that all throughout them, and it's something special.
We're not just training students, we're shaping future employees, leaders, and family members. This is homegrown. This is family. This is MTI DTC.